Today we're going to review the Muddy Executioner 250 deer blind. The Executioner 250 is a 3-person blind. It's got 3 full-width panoramic windows, blacked out interior, carry bags, silent window sliders, brush strips, an entrance, concealment from the elements, and ozone loft pockets. Let's go check this out. All right, first thing I like to do is rake out a nice area here so you're not crunching inside your blind. That's just a good tip. I've been doing it for years. I love it. Very nice, solid carrying case. If you got your bow with you, you can throw that right on. Go like that and walk through the woods. Go to a new spot, pop it up, you're good to go. There we go. All right, now that we got this set up, we're gonna stake it down real quick. Blind comes with a little pack of stakes here, and some tie downs here as well. One of the cool features I like here is this little extra flap that's on the bottom of all the way around the blind actually. It's really nice that it eliminates any draft you might have. When it starts getting cold and snowy, you don't want any drafts in there, so that really helps that out. Other cool features, it's got all these brush straps on here, so you can tuck some brush right up in there and brush this blind in real nice. It's also got them down here midway, all the way around the blind, guys. So this has a zipper door, double zipper. There's a zipper on the bottom here too, and those windows on 3 sides. So we got windows on 3 sides, and then in the very back by the door here, there's a little window as well, so you can just make sure nobody's sneaking up on you behind you. So I like this feature because I got other pop-up blinds where it doesn't have anything in the back where the door is, and sometimes I have to keep the door open just a little bit so I can kind of peek behind me. But this you can do that without having the door open. The windows on the inside here have silent sliders, which I really like as well. I like the silent sliders because I don't like to use a piece of Velcro or a zipper when I'm opening up a deer blind. A lot of times I'll keep these, you know, real low, and then if I see something, I can just kind of put my finger down on it like that, open that blind window up a lot bigger, and then I can shoot through. It really limits my silhouette if I got my window shut just to a crack. Let's go inside and see how roomy this 3-person blind really is. We're gonna open up these windows. Not bad. There is quite a bit of room in here, I will say. The windows open up really wide if you'd like that. On a day like today, when it's about 85 degrees out here, it's nice to have a little bit of breeze going through these big open windows. So we're going to get a couple chairs in here. We're going to set up a chair, and we're going to see if we can't get comfy. Oh, I also wanted to mention there are 2 pockets up here you can put some of your stuff in. There's one over in the back and one on the one side. That's nice to keep things off the ground. Well, as you can see here, I got 2 nice chairs in there. One's just a little fold-up chair. The other one's a bigger chair with a little side table there on it. Plenty of room in there for 2. I know it says 3-person blind on here, but I don't think you get 3 people in here very comfortably. I'm sure you can get them in here. You know, if you got a couple little kiddos you want to take out hunting with you, I think it would be perfect. But 3 full-grown men in this thing, I don't see it. 2, I think you can hit 2 in here real easy, no problem. I like a lot of the features on this blind. It's not the most expensive blind, and that's nice because I like to keep things reasonably priced here. You guys could pick up one of these yourself. I'll leave a link down in the description below, so you can click right on that and go to it. But you know, I think these are about 125 bucks. Not too bad, very reasonable, like I say. And when you're up here in Michigan, you're hunting, you need something to keep the elements off you, because it's going to start raining and snowing soon enough. I know it's uber warm out today, but this will keep you nice and dry. You can put a little buddy heater in there, and you're nice and warm too. And that makes a much more enjoyable hunting experience when you can stay out of the elements, stay warm, and hunt for your favorite wildlife. So all in all, this is a real nice blind, nicely constructed, and I would recommend it to all you guys out there too. I think it's going to be a wonderful addition on the homestead this year for us to be able to come out here and do a little bit of family hunting. Be sure to follow along. We got lots more hunting and fishing videos coming up, a few more product review videos for you guys, and I got one that you're not going to want to miss here. It's coming out real soon. So you guys hit that thumbs up down below, give me a like, and if you guys are so inclined, hit that subscribe button. It helps us out on the channel, helps us deliver you guys more great reviews of all sorts of things. All right, we will catch you guys on the next one.